Captain Zwane is targeting nothing but 3 points as the reigning league champions aim to take another step towards defending their league title. The Brazilians' charge was halted during the week after the Premier Soccer League postponed their game against TS Galaxy on Wednesday. The postponement was at the request of their opponents, whose bus was involved in an accident en route to Mbombela on Tuesday. That meant that Sundowns enjoyed a rare break from their jam-packed schedule. On the other hand, the Chile boys proved too hot to handle for Richards Bay in midweek. They cruised to a convincing 3-0 at Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium ahead of their trip to Zwane to take on Masandawana. Zwane said, "It will obviously be an exciting game of good football. It will be a game that is a must-watch with good football. And yes, I can say that's it. The postponement dropped the momentum, but at the same time, it gives us a chance of recovery because we have been playing back-to-back games. Now we have so much time to plan for Chippa, so the fans must come in numbers because it's always good to hear them singing for us and it feels good to see them at the stadium." Chippa are steadily picking up some steam under the guidance of co-coaches Thabo September and Kwanele Kopo. They are unbeaten in 4 games in all competitions since the pair took over with 2 wins and 2 draws. Zwane continued and said, "To be honest, it won't be an easy game because whenever we play Chippa, they have that extra energy. They won their last game. It was a good result and we know they come at us at full force, but we are ready for them. We saw their game and we will analyze them more and plan for the game to try to win the game." All I can say is that so far so good and the spirit is high in camp. Everyone is fit and everyone wants to play. They know the task that we want to achieve as a team going forward. We are a happy team and we are looking forward for the next coming games. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.